To begin with, I want you to think, which of those words yesterday do you think was the most interesting to learn and to talk about? So just as a reminder, dubious means uncertain, unsure, or doubtful. Sandwiched means squeezed in between two people or two things. And blurt out means to say something suddenly, without thinking. So if you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk, or think to yourself. Okay, so for today, just like on day 2, I need you to go get a piece of notebook paper and number 1, 2, and 3, because we are going to create a sentence using each of these vocabulary words. So, for example number 1, again, dubious means uncertain, unsure, or doubtful. So how could you use dubious in a sentence? Your sentence must include the word dubious. Take a moment, and you are going to write a sentence using this vocabulary word. Okay, just like before, if you need time, you can pause the video, but we're going to go on to the second example. The next word is sandwiched, and we know that sandwich means that you are squeezed between two people or two things. So how could you use the word sandwiched in a sentence? Okay, and just like before, if you need to pause, you can, but we're going to go on to the third example. So this word is blurt out. How could you use the word blurt out in a sentence? Go ahead. Okay, that wraps up day 4. Tomorrow we will see you back for our review video. We're going to go over the words crouch, greedy, jittery, rejoice, and unwise.